Hello and welcome to this brief Catavolt video demonstration. This video will show how Catavolt Extender can help the mobile sales force be more responsive, efficient, and productive. Today we will demonstrate how the Catavolt Extender service can help you do the following. Deploy account data in real time from multiple back-end systems to sales teams quickly. Perform rapid, critical operations like responding to customer requests from anywhere, anytime. And utilize a consistent UI and app functionality, regardless of what type of device you're using. First, let's show how we can deploy critical account data from multiple back-end systems in real time to sales representatives. We'll also show how the app can be quickly changed to accommodate sales team user requests. This is the Catavolt Extender App Builder Dashboard, a web-based application. This is where you link to your data sources, such as Salesforce.com, Siebel, or Microsoft Dynamics, and build data objects, such as accounts, invoices, and shipments. Collections of data objects make up each salesperson's workbench. When I'm showing the App Builder dashboard, I'm working as the application controller, the person that knows the data the best, who could be a business analyst or IT administrator, for instance. Now let's get my tablet on the screen, in this case an iPad, and you can see that this is the actual application created using the App Builder dashboard. So when I'm showing the actual app on my tablet, I'm acting as the end user, or the sales representative in this instance. In the App Builder dashboard, I'll click on the Sales Rep 1 workbench. And if I open my iPad, I can see how the workbench launchers on the iPad match up with those on the App Builder dashboard. Let's take a look at our current list of accounts. When I press this button, my request goes all the way back into the data center and the data is streamed to my device. You can see that I can interact natively. But one important piece of information that's missing is the credit limit for each account. And this is very important as nobody wants to oversell to an overextended customer. Adding that data field is quick and easy with the App Builder dashboard. Simply navigate to the appropriate account's data object in the Sales Rep 1 workbench. Open the list of available properties, and you'll notice credit limit. Double-click, give it a field name, and insert. You can see that credit limit's been added to the selected properties and will now be shown in the app. Back on my iPad, all I have to do is hit back, click on the Accounts Launcher again, and when it pulls up the Sales Rep Accounts data object, it shows credit limit, which I just added. Now I'll show how data from multiple back-end systems can be combined and accessed seamlessly within the Accounts view. I'll tap to learn more about the customer AirFlight Electronics. Account details show up by default, and this data is pulled from a CRM system. You'll notice a number of sections at the bottom of the screen. If I move to Sales Trends, I can see a native graph that I can pinch, zoom, and tap to interact with visualized sales data from a business intelligence system. I can even drill down further in this graph to learn more about the orders that make up a specific month's sales. If I back up and move to Invoices, now I'm pulling data from the billing system. In this section, we'll show how to perform rapid critical operations, like responding to customer requests. We'll dropship an item to a customer using native device features and leveraging existing back-end business processes. Back in the app, you'll notice a workbench launcher for item lookup. Tap this icon and it will bring up the camera, which I can use to scan a barcode on a piece of paper. Once scanned, it displays a list of all locations that currently stock this item. This is helpful, but it would be better if I could see them on a map to get the item to the customer as quickly as possible. In the App Builder dashboard, I'll just navigate to the data object for item lookup. Then I'll change that data to display using a native map. If I pull up my iPad, go back and scan the barcode again, it brings up the same data in native map form. Using this native map is easy and intuitive. Simply select item location, hit menu, tap dropship, select customer, enter the quantity, and send the item. This submission not only writes back to the system, but leverages all existing back-end business process logic so all transactions are recorded properly in their respective systems. Today's mobile sales force carries a wide variety of mobile devices, all with different shapes, sizes, and functionality. With Catavolt Extender, the apps you build have consistent interfaces and functionality across multiple device types. You only have to build one app, not a separate app for each device. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see an iPhone performing the same tasks I've demonstrated today with the iPad on the left. Whether you're using iOS, Android, or BlackBerry devices, Catavolt Extender delivers a native user experience that fits in with how that device works. If you know how to operate your mobile device, you already know how to use an app built with Catavolt Extender. And less training means less headaches and happier, more productive users. And that's what going mobile is all about. Thanks again for your time today. If you'd like to learn more about Catavolt Extender, please visit our website at www.catavolt.com.